shit, that's a good one. That's a real good one. Oh, John. Oh. Good morning, everybody. My name is Big Brickline Outdoors, and we are on another adventure out on the James River here in Missouri. And I can't be more excited today. It's a beautiful day, beautiful scenery, and I'm out here with John Cook, and we're gonna get some fishing in. So you guys stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Oh, and by the way, the winner of the giveaway is Mr. Tully 41, Mr. Tully 41, and I will attempt to contact you, Mr. Tully. Please get a hold of me. Please email me once you find out that you won. My email, teambreakline@gmail.com, teambreakline@gmail.com, and I will get you your big old lure pack that I have for you. I got it all ready yesterday. It is ready to go. I'm so happy that you won. So Mr. Tully 41, get a hold of me. And in the meantime, guys, we're gonna start fishing right now. There's one. Not the biggest guy in the world, but we will get him in the boat. Largemouth. Let him. He wants to go a little bit. Let him go. Not a bad largemouth. Largy. Nice little fat stomach on him, though. Not a bad one to get started on. All right. Right before it hit the bottom. He's not really that big. Another largemouth. Let's just go ahead and get him in the boat. Not a bad one. Oh, there he goes. So what I'm throwing is a large TRD, and I just put it on a shaky head. I glued it on there, and it seems to be something they've been liking for a while. I know it's not real. The presentation of it isn't the most smooth or prettiest, but they've been hitting it. It's the PB&J. TRD, large TRD. If I can just get straightened out here. There's one. This seems to be a better one. All right, look at that bronze beauty. Holy cow. Probably about 15 inches right there. Look at that. Holy moly. That's what I'm talking about. John, you want to play the guessing game?
Let's see. 15 and a half.
15 and a half. I said 15. Let's see where he sits. I don't know. Oh, fifth, John. 15 and a quarter. 15 and a quarter. That's right. So there you go, guys. All right, guys. Like always, we want to free this fighter. Man, he's beautiful. Look at those markings. That is a beautiful fish. But like always, we want to make sure we let him go. Whoops, sorry. Let him go, let him grow. Until next time, friend. There we go. I paused him. I don't know how well he's hooked. He's not the biggest guy in the world. But I paused it, and he struck once, I paused it, and then he came back for more. Nice little largemouth. There we go. Not the biggest guy in the world, but that was fun. Oh shit, that's a good one. That's a real good one. Oh, John. Oh. Come on. Oh. All right. Nice smallmouth. Hooked him right in the roof of the mouth. Probably 15 or so.
Let's come up here.
That's great. Free the fighter. Oh, I just missed a good one. There he is. Not bad, not as big. Kind of look, it's a largemouth. Oh, shoot. Come on, buddy. That's not a bad one either. Check that out. We're over here in this just a little riffle area with a lot of cover. Been catching some good sized fish. I caught a nice 15-inch smallie and just caught this largemouth 14. So not a bad little fish. Oh, John! Oh! Oh! Here's another good one. I don't know yet. Oh yeah, holy cow! Oh, guys, oh my goodness, he wasn't going anywhere either. Oh my goodness.
Bring him over to see what he's measured.
If he's 16 or bigger, I gotta take a picture of him. I don't know if he is. Guessing game, here we go.
Holy crap, that's big.
15.
Nice.
Yep.
Alright, I'm stealing your spot.
Come get some. Now look at his lip.
Ooh, wow.
Yeah.
He's got in a fight with somebody.
He's been with a few, but guys, you know, I'm able to catch him because someone else released him in a fight with something or someone, or he's lost part of his lip. But like always, man, he's just chomping on my thumb. We're gonna let him go. Holy moly. But here it is. I put it on a shaky head. I ran out of net heads, so I put it on a shaky head and I just glued it on there. I mean, it's beat up. But look at the elastic part. I mean, right there. But guys, that's after, oh, how many fish, countless of fish, especially just right here. There's 3 that I've just caught, good size ones, and it's still hanging in there. So I know Z-Man's a little more expensive, yet get what you pay for, and I haven't had to replace it or anything like that. So well, hello there, guys. Quick little recap here. We were at this hole, and holy cow, just caught 3 really good sized bass, 2 smallmouth, 1 largemouth, all on the bank there. I'm still pretty jazzed about it. It's quite an experience to be able to throw that many times and catch the fish that I caught. All on that big TRD and a shaky head. I got it in there back deep, and I caught those fish. And the main reason why I wanted to say something was, don't be afraid to throw your bait in there and get hung up. I went weedless for a reason, but I still lost 3 baits, 3 of those setups. So you just can't be afraid to throw in there, and sometimes you reap what you sow, and in that case, absolutely, and I'll never take it back. So hope you guys are enjoying the video. Once again, let me know about that shaky head. Or a net head, does the color matter? Yes or no? Tell me why in the comment section. But right now I got a tree coming up, and I better get off here so I don't lose all my stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. What a day. There we go. Oh, he's bleeding. Oh, God. That one was weird. I felt a little tap, so I just pulled on it and caught this guy. Not a bad little one either. What a day, guys. I mean, what more can someone ask for? Just a day like this. It's been just a fantastic day. Hey everyone, out here out on the James, and it's just been one heck of a day. I don't know how many fish I've caught. I've caught some good fish, good sized fish, along with this bad boy right here, and I have nothing else to say. It's just been a really fun day, fun catching fish. So but we're gonna let this guy go and let him grow, because I tell you what, he sure was a lot of fun to catch. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. I've definitely, sorry about that, I've definitely enjoyed catching all these fish today. I'm not really sure how far we are. I haven't seen John in a while, but I know I've been enjoying doing this. So you guys keep watching, and hopefully maybe I can hook up into that next big one. There's one. Not a great one by any means, but another good smallmouth. I mean, what turned out to be a really slow day has now turned out to be just a great afternoon, or a slow morning turned out to be a great afternoon. So, but we're gonna get this bad boy back in the water. All right, he was ready to go. Let's catch another one. It's an end to another good day on the river. I had probably maybe one of my best days I've had in a long time, if not ever. Caught some really good fish, 3 right there, back to back to back. Lost it. I felt like a pretty decent one, But overall, just a really good day. The weather was great. Fishing was really slow at the beginning, and then it's heated up and it stayed hot for the rest of the day. I just made it home. So, but guys, once again, thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. I mentioned who won at the beginning. Make sure you get a hold of me. Mr. Tully was at 41, I believe. Get a hold of me. I'm gonna try to get a hold of you, and we'll make sure you get your package, and hopefully you enjoy it, and you get to use those baits that I'll give you. But guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. It means the world to me. I truly do appreciate it. And please support Breakline Outdoors. Catch us on social media: Facebook, Breakline Outdoors, Instagram, Team Breakline. And you guys, if you have anything you want to share with us, you can email us at teambreakline@gmail.com. In the meantime, guys, make your own adventure.